Ready, set, and go. Ready, set, and go.
What's up, EMB squad?
It's your girl. Oh.
What's up, EMB squad?
It's your girl, Brittany.
It's your girl, Nana. What's up, EMB squad? Oh. What's up, EMB squad? What's up, EMB squad?
It's your girl, Brittany.
It's your girl, Nana. And we decided to do it. What's up, EMB squad?
It's your girl, Brittany.
It's your girl, Nana. We decided to do it. Ready? Get lit. Look at that. Get lit. What's up, EMB squad?
It's your girl, Brittany.
It's your girl, Nana, and we decided to do YouTube, and this is our first video. As you can tell by the title. Big.
Because we did it. That was nice.
Oh my god, okay.
Oh, shit.
What's up? No, bro. I know you was recording.
You got to eat.
Sugar. Stop it now. Restart it. So we can have a perfect one. Wait. What's up, EMB squad?
It's your girl, Brittany.
It's your girl, Nana, and we decided to do YouTube, and this is our first video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a mukbang.
Yeah, and we're going to introduce ourselves and also give you the reason why we started YouTube.
So, as you already know, my name is Nana, and I'm 18.
My name is Brittany, and I'm 20.
The reason why I decided to do YouTube was because I grew up in the south side of Chicago. You know, I ain't have it easy, you know, so I just want my family to make it, live a lavish life, you know.
Okay. That's it. Well, my reason for starting YouTube is to be successful, and most of the YouTubers that I know are motivating me to do this, honestly. So yeah, we from Chicago, Illinois, but we stay in
Temple, Texas. Yeah, we finna put Temple on the map looking at
okay. YouTube, because it seems like something that we can do and stay motivated to do. Yeah. And I'm trying to start my own business, hair company, all that.
So shop with us.
Shirts, all that. Y'all comment down below what y'all want from us. Yeah, what kind of
videos y'all
wanna
expecting from us. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on our video. We new to this.
all that.
And let us know like what we doing wrong.
Yeah.
You know
Where we need help at.
like encourage us. Don't give us no bad feedback. Because we just want to make it. You know what I'm saying? We just want to make a living.
Yeah. So that's the end of the video. Look at this.
But no, want to see us doing pranks on our family. Like whatever y'all want to see, we got y'all. Just let us know what it is y'all want to see from us. What y'all expecting from us. Just help us out here because we new to this. Yeah. God damn. We some bad bitches that y'all don't want to fuck with. Look, okay. No, but for real though.
For real.
Cause period poo, looking at we make it big, we will be doing like giveaways and shit like that, giving back to the community, because y'all helping us become who we gonna become,
Damn.
Yes. Man's ain't dirty shit.
No, bro, look.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. Squad! Oh.
I did that shit lazy at times. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. Squad! Don't forget to like,
What the fuck
comment,
is he doing this for?
1,
2, 3.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. We out, squad.
1, 2, 3.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. We out, squad.
There you go.
Don't forget to like, comment, and
1, 2, 3.